Seems we're headed the wrong direction, sir. Shouldn't we be coming back to the fight?
Plenty of fight to go around, McTavish. Glad you made it out of South America. You're meeting up with the 6th Fleet, leading the counterstrike. Prisoner 627. We believe that's who Makarov's got the mad on for, but we can't get to him.
Oil rigs, sir?
Russians are using them as SAM sites. Oil workers are human shields, so we can't just blow up the rigs wholesale. And this one is the least defended. Boys, I know I'm sending you into the meat grinder on this one.
They're defending it, so it means we want it. Especially if it gets us to 627.
USS Chicago, actual to dry dock shelter. We have a go. TDS hangar flooded. Full pressure. Begin deployment. Team 1 STV is away. Hotel 6, bearing 019er. USS Dallas deploying Team 2. RV at the objective. Hotel 6, depth 20 meters. Team 2 at the objective.
We'll take them out at the same time. On your go.
Вижу морской воздух. Хватит ныть, а?
2 hostiles down in Section 1 Alpha. Moving up to Section 2.
Roger that, Hotel 6.
Keep it tight, people. Got a visual while arriving. 3 to engage. Suppressed weapons only. We're clear.
Civilian hostages at your position. Watch your fire.
Roger that. Team 1 moving to breach.
Противники!
Clear. We're clear.
Hostages secured in Section 2 Echo.
Roger that, Hotel 6. Team 2 will secure an evac. Continue your search topside.
Okay, move upstairs. Control, we're advancing to Deck 2. Eyes open. Watch your sectors.
Enemy helo patrolling the perimeter. Keep a low profile, Hotel 6.
Roger that. Enemy helo, get out of sight. Okay, move.
Hotel 6, more hostages are at your position.
Copy that.
Убейте их!
Clear. Clear.
Control, all Deck 2 hostages secured.
Ответьте базе. Мать нам, ответь базе. Ушла
Enemy radio. I think we're gonna have company, sir.
Set up a plan B. Get some C4 on those bodies. Go.
C4, place, sir.
Get to an elevated position. We'll ambush them when they discover the bodies. There's a patrol. Hold your fire until they're closer. Stand by. Stand by. Plan B. Do it. Control, this is Hotel 6. Our cover is blown.
Copy that. Intel still indicates hostages and possible explosives on the top deck. Your team needs to secure that location before we can send in reinforcements to handle the SAM sites. Over.
Roger that. We'll call in for Expo at LZ Bravo. CENTCOM needs us to take the top deck ASAP so they can send in the Marines. Move. Go. Move. Target at 12 o'clock. Hostile movement by those fuel containers. I can't get a shot. Tango down. Man down! Ghost, they're breaking for cover. I have a target.
Hotel 6, hostages from lower decks are being extracted by Team 2. Proceed to the top deck ASAP to secure the rest. Over.
Copy that. We're working on it. Out. Doc, target movement beyond those pipes. I have a visual. Watch your fire. Contact to the north. Hey, Stumpy, watch your fire. Doc, contact at your 12 o'clock. I'm moving. Enemy helicopter, get down, get down! Ghost, contact 12 o'clock. Roger, tracking. Target destroyed. I can't get a clear shot. Approach, target 2 o'clock. Bring down the helicopter, it's got us pinned. Nice work. The clock's ticking. We need to get topside and secure any remaining hostages before we call in the Marines. Split up. Moving in flank through these hallways. McTavish, cover me. Copy. Contact 1 o'clock. Roger. Back. Grenade! Tango down. Let's go. Those hostages aren't going to rescue themselves. Move up. Ghost, target at 1 o'clock. I don't have a shot. They're popping smoke. These guys have thermal optics. Stay clear of the smoke. Ghost, contact doorway ground floor. Doorway ground floor. Copy that. Stay clear of the smoke.
Hotel 6, be advised. Hostages have been confirmed at your location along with possible explosives. Over.
Copy that. All teams check your fire. Don't know what's behind these doors. Contact window, second floor. Window, second floor. Roger that. All hostages secured. Proceeding to LZ Bravo. Over.
Good job, Hotel 6. Marine reinforcements are inserting now to dismantle the SAM sites. Get the team ready for phase 2 of the operation. Out. Hunter 2-2, this is Punisher Actual. Go flat secure. All EOD teams are cleared for landing. Punisher at all flights in vicinity of grid 255202. Local airspace is secure. I repeat, local airspace is secure. Proceed on course to target area along route November 2.
Punisher, this is Hunter Actual. Hunter 2-2 is moving to secure the SAM site at the southwest corner of main deck. Hunter 2-3 is proceeding towards the Derrick building to disarm the explosives.
Punisher Actual, all strike teams. All SAM sites neutralized. Repeat, all SAM sites have been neutralized.